Today we are going to talk about imperfect produce and using it in your kitchen and not just tossing it or wasting it and throwing it away. We don't want to do that. We want to have less waste and be able to utilize what we've spent our money on, right? So the cauliflower, you can see how there is some browning on there. In no way does that mean that you have to just toss this and start again. It is very, very easy to just cut these off. So another one, my daughter loves bananas, but every now and then they will start to brown like this. A great way to utilize these is either one, take them and make banana bread right away. Just toss them in there, banana bread, everyone loves that. Or you can freeze them. Another thing too is potatoes. Okay, we got this guy right here. You can see how it's starting to discolor a little bit there. Again, just chop that out, and the eyes, you just kind of just peel them out there like this. It's gone. Washington grown potatoes, they're the best. Onions, a lot of times you'll start to mold on the side or they'll get a little soft or squishy. Again, cut those off. I usually slice down the middle, and as long as the middle's fine, your onion is mostly usable. Just cut off that bad part. And really, truly the same thing goes for any other kind of produce you have. Corn, if there is a section that's not good, just slice it off and use the rest. Very rarely is there something in your kitchen, unless it's been like in the corner forgotten for weeks, that you're gonna have to throw the whole thing out of. Most of the time, you can salvage at least part of it.